Assalamu alaikum everyone. With great power comes great responsibility. It's a quote, a wise saying of a hero. Now, who is a hero? A hero is an ideal figure who embodies the peak of human potential. We as humans create ideals and admire them. This serves as a psychological anchor, proving to us that our values and virtues are not just concepts but are realities. Now, why are heroes essential? Because a society without heroes is a society without a compass. A heroic ideal improves the overall actions of a society. The memory of a hero acts as a unifying force, reminding people of a bigger picture. Now, what are the qualities of a hero? A hero is someone who is selfless. He has the willingness to place well-being of others above their own comfort. A true hero has the ability to stand by their own convictions. Real heroes rarely seek the title. Their actions are driven by a sense of duty. But unfortunately, the modern entertainment has given rise to false heroes. It equates heroism with supernatural abilities, which means to fix small problems, a person has to attain inhuman qualities. It has also elevated personalities based on mere aesthetics and physical beauties, depicting perfection as heroism. This made the regular people believe that they lack the qualities to fix small problems. Now, what can we do to address this? We must look away from screens and look towards the histories, the ones that have been created and the ones that are in creation. We must look towards the ones dedicating their lives to shape minds. The true heroes are often found within families, individuals who break cycles of negativity. The true purpose of recognizing heroes is not to worship them, but it is for us to look into the mirrors and ask ourselves that do we have the capability to bring in the change. Thank you for your time.